What are you doing? Here, look. Look at this. Go get it. Go get it. Go get that. No? Trying to get her on the film. Roo, look. That's not working, is it? Anyways, hello, and welcome to Spirit Forest. We're gonna do a trial run, the puppy in a tent. She is 13 weeks old now, so she is growing a little bit. Training's going well. She is a little hard-headed, but not like Rocky, so she is a lot easier than Rocky was. Very happy about that. But we're gonna put up a tent, get her inside. One of the things that I didn't do with Rocky until he was about 6 months old was to get him in a tent. And so I learned my lesson is to get her in a tent early. If you guys see my past videos, I had a 120-pound Rottweiler that went with me backpacking. Missed the hell out of him right now. But anyways, he was scared to death of the tent, scared to death of dark. I had to play like piano music to calm him down. You gotta calm the beast. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put up my tent. It's actually a 3-person tent. And I'm gonna put, what is she eating? I can hear her eating. Sticks. Anyways, I'm gonna put up my 3-person tent, get it ready like we're backpacking. We're gonna spend the night in the tent and just kind of see how she does during the night. Now, my area lately has had a lot of predators. And when I say predators, I think there was a mountain lion here, some coyotes, possibly a wolf. I have no idea because there are wolves. I looked at the map and there are wolves in my area, but we did have a deer get killed on my property. I have a video of that. Not of the deer being killed, but just the evidence of the deer that was killed on the property. So I don't know, I guess for me, I've always known that there were predators here. Just sometimes I'm a little bit more alert, I would say. So yeah. So I might be a little scared tonight. Let's just put it that way. I don't think she's gonna be scared. I'm gonna be a little scared. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So let me get this tent up and let's see how she does going inside. No biting, no biting, no biting, no biting, no biting, no biting. Don't bite the tent. Come here, come here, come here, come on. Yeah, we're gonna come out of this. Here, try this. Look at this. No biting. No, don't bite the tent. No. No. Don't bite it. Come over here. Come here. Yeah, there's no biting of any tents. No biting. No, we're not biting it. Oh my goodness. This was harder than I thought. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. Nope, no biting. We are not biting. Oh, we're going to come out of the tent. Come on out. There you go. Sit down. Sit down. There we go. This is a spaz. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. You guys, it's not gonna be a problem getting her in the tent. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Like, Rocky, I had to really convince him. Her, I gotta convince her to get out of the tent and don't destroy the tent. Yes. No biting of the tent. We bite sticks. Look at all these sticks you could bite. Oh, no, stop biting the tent. Stop it. Oh my goodness. She wants in the tent so bad. This is so funny. It's the complete opposite of my last dog. I gotta get her to stop biting the tent. She's gonna ruin the tent. No, no, no biting. Here's a stick. Here's a stick. Yes, we want to bite that. Guys have any ideas? I am open to ideas. I do have some toys, but you know, when we're backpacking, I'm not gonna be bringing a ton of toys for her. And these are toys in themselves. The sticks are better. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got her away from the tent for 5 minutes. She will be back. So the tent's not going to be a problem getting her in there. The problem is going to be getting her out. Complete opposite situation from my last dog. Like, I'm like, oh, we should probably practice it, have her go in, bring treats in there. Yeah, we're not going to need that for this dog. We're going to have a lot of talks about how to not bite the tent. And the tent is our home. And if you destroy our home, it's not going to be a fun night. Yeah. She's currently underneath my deck right now, looking for rats. So, this has been a very interesting weekend here at Spirit Forest. She was underneath the deck towards the cabin, and she found a rat. And yeah, so I heard her under the deck, and I call her name. I'm like, Roo, Roo, get over here. And she comes darting out of the deck, and she's got this dead rat. I didn't take a photo of it because I was literally grossed out. This dead rat hanging from her mouth, and I'm like, ah. And she was so proud of herself, you know, doing that puppy like proud moment, the tail's up, and look what I found. Yeah, then it was a game of tag kind of a thing, like, come get me, you know? Yeah, she got in trouble. That was the first time that she knew that she was in trouble. Yeah, she was in trouble. And then, I don't know what happened. I was gone for a few days, came back, and like a herd of cows came to my property, which has happened before. But there's cow prints everywhere. There's cow patties. And so right when I got the rat away from her, I eventually started walking her back. And it was a pretty long walk. So I let her go, and she was staying next to me. But then she got the sniff of a cow patty. And it was like she was on it. And yeah, so then she runs, darts for this cow patty, has this like, I almost said a bad word, cow patty in her mouth, and is walking around all proud of that and eating it. Oh. Where is she now? Yeah, she's probably finding another rat. Did you find one? Where you at? What you got? Who knows? So I am in puppy hell. I'm kidding. She's literally so adorable. Like, she is so cute. And the things that she does is just like, it's so adorable. Like, I'm loving it. But yeah, she's a bit much. We were up at 2 o'clock this morning because she was making some noises, and all I was thinking of was, oh shoot, she's gonna blow because she ate a rat and a cow patty. So yeah, her poop might not be really good. So got up at 2, took her outside. She's okay, she's healthy. She ate like half a rat, I think. I threw the other half somewhere else. Yeah. Anyways, she's going to be with me on some backpacking trips. Not this year because she just won't be able to do them. However, I don't know. She's got a lot of energy, you guys. She's got more energy than Rocky did. Hey, what are you doing? She's doing something. Let's go find out what she's doing. Okay, you guys, remember this is my deck I camp on, or camped on for 5 years. You got something? What? Get off me. What do you got? What do you see? Yeah? Is there something in there? I think there is. There's something in there. Dude, if a rat starts running out of this, I might scream. Just letting you know. Hey, Rue, don't drink that water. That's nasty. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's do something else. Yeah, we're working on the recall. Yeah, she's good sometimes, but not all the time. Anyways, yeah. That's where this is where the rats were at when I was in the tent. So I'm sure she knows a bit of that. She's gonna be a rat dog is what she's gonna end up being. We're gonna get those rats, huh, Rue? She can get in everything. She gets all excited. Yeah, so the rats were living in here and destroying my tent. It was not fun. But not putting the tent back up because I don't feel like having the tent destroyed again. She's definitely gonna need a hose bath. Just having you guys watch her. Look at my new crazy dog. Rue, what are you doing? I don't know. She's having way too much fun. Whoa! I don't know if you see her, but she loves underneath that deck. She's literally just going in circles. I don't know. Man, if I only had her when I had the tent up, there would be no rats here at all. She would be on it. Rue, come here. Come. Yay, look at that. Look at you. What do you do when you come? What do you do? Look at me. Hey, look. There you go. Yes. Oh, gotta go play. I got things to do, Mom. Things to do. She loves it. That is so cute. Oh. You guys, I don't know if I want her in the tent right now. Really don't know if I want her in the tent. She yelped a bit. Are you hurt? Did something get you? I don't know. Oh my God, she's so messy. Did you hurt? She yelped and I don't know. Did that hurt? Yeah, I don't know. Oh my goodness. No. 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 I'm clearly no fun because all she wants to do is bite. No! Biting the tent. I'm clearly no fun. She's pouting. Yeah. She kept biting the tent. She says that I'm no fun. Yeah. Guess I don't need this warning. According to her, I don't need it. I'm a little scared to put my sleeping pad down or my sleeping bag because they're precious and a lot of money. Not to say this tent isn't, but I'm just saying that, like, I'm just gonna wait till she like calms down, understands the rules of the tent first before we put things in the tent. Now she's sleeping. She literally has an on and off switch. It's crazy. It's a sleeping bag, Rue. No biting. No biting. No, no, no biting. I am not fun, am I? We're pouting because we can't bite things. All this stuff is all new to her. All new smells. No, no, biting. You already ripped the other thing off. No, no, no. Here we go. Don't bite the... Man. No, what is up with you and those tags? No. 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 No biting. Can't bite anything. Oh my gosh. You cannot bite. You can't bite me either. No. Or no. How about this? You can bite that. Yes. There you go. Little Rose checking it out. Yeah. We're going to get that sleeping bag open. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is not inflated. Whoops. What are you thinking? Did you bite it? Did you do something with it? I hope you didn't bite it. How is this? How's it already dirty? Okay. I have a Lucy light in there. I forgot a pillow. It's all good though. Remember, no biting the tent. I don't think she likes it that she can't see outside the tent. Well, hold on. Hold on, we're trapping you in here now. No, don't bite it. No, no, don't bite. Oh, goodness, I can't do this one-handed. No. It's a game. Ow. No, you cannot bite it. No. I know, it's just, I'm so mean. I'm gonna bite my knife. You got a feather on you. Yeah. Don't bite it. No. Stop biting. No. Stop biting. This is hilarious. She is obsessed with the bugs that are flying around the tent. She's like, what are all these bugs? You're safe without the bugs. At some point, these bugs are going to bug you. No, we're not barking at the bugs. What is it? What is it going to be like when it's raining in here? What's it going to be like then? It's starting to get dark. You can't tell on the camera, but it is starting to get dark. See how you do in the dark. And all the noises, all the outside noises, not just the bugs. I don't know if you see. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really see too many flies flying around, but this is what she's looking at. Ooh, a bird just flew by, but she wasn't able to see it. So much new stuff. All this new stuff. I'm gonna get ready to sleep because I'm really tired. 2 in the morning is really early for me, Rue. It's really early for me. Oh, she looks so cute. She's adorable. She's a little menace, but she's adorable. She's so cute. You're so cute. You guys see her. Look how cute she is. Yeah, you look so cute. All snuggled with my backpack. There's so many, all these new noises. Might be a long night for you. She stopped biting everything, so that's good. I wonder if she's gonna cuddle. She's so cute. Overload of cuteness. She's a little worn out though, because I've been like, I don't know if she took a nap today. I don't know. Like she gets like these little power naps where she can nap for like a minute and then she's running around in circles. And then she naps for a minute and runs around in circles. Like she's got to recharge her battery or something like that. Yeah. I'm losing light, you guys. But she's so cute. And I'm so happy to have a dog again. My friends have told me, they're like, it's just weird, Tam, without you having a dog. You always have a dog with you. And I haven't had a dog in about 3 years. I think it's been about 3 years. And it just kind of, I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the freedom that not having a dog gives you. But I think I was ready for a dog. And I am splitting the dog a little bit with Madison. So, like, she's taking her on Wednesday, and I have Thursday off work, and I'm, like, gonna sleep. Like, literally, this is my plan for my day off work. I'm gonna sleep the whole day. Because, like, you could see, like, my eyes are... I'm tired. It's a lot. It's worth it, though. Because I think she's really cute. And you know, I don't know if I told you guys. Did I tell you that Madison was the one that picked this dog? Yeah, Madison's the one that picked her. So, and I get compliments all the time. If I'm out walking or whatever, people are like, that is the cutest puppy. I'm like, I know. It's funny, though. She does test me. She definitely does test me. Like, I'll tell her to do something. I'm like, you can't do that. You got to do this instead. And she looks at me and she barks. You know, like, these are very vocal dogs as well. So they are, my elbow's hurting. You know, they talk to you. A little too vocal, though, because there's a lot of barking when I'm on a business call. But so I'm going to have to figure that out. But she's so cute. I look forward to, I mean, I enjoy this stage because she's cute and she's tiny and I can pick her up and I hold her all the time and stuff. And it's fun training a dog. I like doing that. But I do look forward to when she's a little bit bigger, a little bit older, and like is ready to learn things a little bit more. I think that's more of like 6 to 9 months old. I think that's when the training really, you know, really starts sinking in a little bit more. Not to say I'm not doing training now. She's doing pretty good. She's got the sit command done. She's getting the down. She's getting the heel. And then when I stop walking, she stops walking. And then the come, when she'll come to me and then she'll sit down. We're on that one, on the come, she's probably about like 60% there, success rate, that is. So, anyways, I'm talking a lot about my dog. But it's new and I'm just so excited, you guys. I'm just so excited. Yeah, you could tell the picture is starting to get a little, was it like pixelated a little bit? Because it's actually dark, but the camera's making it look like it's light out. So I'm gonna stop the video for right now, and then I will record when it's like pitch black, and I'll let you know how she's doing. And then hopefully we sleep. That's what I'm hoping for, is sleep. Look at her sleeping. So it's dark. She's not scared of the dark. And there's been a couple noises and she did not wake up. Like her ears aren't even moving, then I'm talking. We fell asleep for a little bit, so it's pretty dark. So if I turn off a light, see, it's pretty dark right now. I think she's doing really good. She did hear, before she fell asleep, she heard some people, and she started barking, which is good. I mean, she's protecting. It was more of a, I don't know, like a protection bark. I don't know how else to say it, but I felt that was good. That's what I like a dog for, too. They are known, this breed is also known to be protective, just like the Rotties. Maybe not as much as a Rottie, but protective. So I'm tired. I just woke up to let you guys know how she's doing, and she's been sleeping this whole time. And I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm worn out. I think she's doing great. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.